Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click our subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I got some slime here, pink bucket of slime. Y'all can see. So exactly, I'm gonna play with it today. So if y'all cannot really see the slime on the ground, then yeah. So I'm gonna set the camera down. Okay. Y'all can see me, but I don't think you can see the slime. So let me open the slime up. It's really hard to open, guys. So got it open. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm gonna get it out. Okay. So right now I'm gonna be poking some nice holes. So exactly, look. If you can hear the noise, is peaceful. But now I'm just gonna play with this slime. Might be a little short video today, so yeah. Well, it's gonna end right here. So, guys, if you like that slime, give it a thumbs up. But if you don't like that slime, give it a thumbs down. So, hold on, let me turn the camera right, and bye.